Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unhide rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so there are basically two ways to unhide hidden rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here's how to do it. So in this example we're going to use this project management sheet, and we have this nice project management table. And first you have to identify where are the hidden rows in your spreadsheet that you want to unhide. And as you can see, there are two ways to identify them. So the first one is that you can see here that 9, 10 and the row 11 are missing. And the second way is that you can see this icon here, which means that there are hidden rows here. So there are two ways to unhide hidden rows. The first one is to select the rows below and above the hidden rows. And then you can right click on the selected rows and you're going to see unhide rows here. So if you click on that, as you can see, the hidden rows have been unhidden. So let me undo this action and show you the second option to unhide rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. And all you have to do is basically, you don't even have to select the rows, you just have to click on the down arrow or the up arrow. And as you can see, the rows have been unhidden. So now this is how you can unhide or show hidden rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.